Preserving the Punjabi language. Strategies to prevent its decline. Preserving and reviving a language on the brink of decline is a collective effort that requires a combination of individual, community, institutional, and governmental initiatives. Saving the Punjabi language from dying involves addressing various aspects to ensure its continued existence and relevance in the modern era. Here are some crucial steps that can be taken to safeguard and promote the Punjabi language. 1. Education and awareness. Promoting Punjabi language. Education in schools and colleges is essential to ensure that the younger generation learns and appreciates their mother tongue. Including Punjabi as a compulsory subject in the curriculum and offering incentives for students who excel in the language can encourage its learning. Raising awareness about the importance of preserving Punjabi through campaigns, workshops, and seminars will help garner support from the wider community and emphasize the cultural significance of the language. 2. Encouraging language use at home. Families play a vital role in language preservation. Encouraging parents and grandparents to speak Punjabi at home and pass down traditional stories, folk songs, and customs will keep the language alive within households. Creating a language-rich environment at home fosters a sense of pride and belonging among the younger members of the family. 3. Creating language resources. Developing comprehensive and accessible Punjabi language resources is crucial for learners and enthusiasts. Publishing books, dictionaries, and online learning materials will aid those interested in acquiring or enhancing their proficiency in Punjabi. Digital platforms, such as language apps and e-learning portals, can also play a significant role in promoting the language. 4. Cultural events and festivals. Organizing cultural events, festivals, and language-centric competitions can serve as platforms to showcase Punjabi art, music, dance, and literature. Such events bring the community together and foster a sense of identity and pride in the Punjabi language and culture. 5. Digital presence and media. Leveraging the power of the internet and social media is crucial for language promotion. Creating and sharing Punjabi content on various online platforms will enhance its reach and accessibility to a global audience. Media houses can play an active role in broadcasting Punjabi programs, films, and documentaries to promote the language. 6. Support for Punjabi authors and artists. Encouraging and supporting Punjabi authors, poets, and artists is vital for the language's survival. Providing financial assistance, recognition, and platforms for their work will encourage creativity and innovation within the Punjabi literary and artistic community. 7. Collaboration and partnerships. Collaborating with educational institutions, cultural organizations, and government agencies is essential for a coordinated effort in language preservation. Collective action can lead to more significant impact and resource sharing for language-related initiatives. 8. Celebrating language diversity. Promoting Punjabi does not mean neglecting other languages. Emphasizing the value of linguistic diversity and encouraging multilingualism will create an inclusive environment where various languages can coexist harmoniously. 9. Legislative support. Governmental support through policies and legislation can be instrumental in preserving regional languages like Punjabi. Ensuring that Punjabi receives official recognition, is used in government communications, and is included in public services can elevate its status and relevance. 10. Collaboration with educational institutions. Partnering with educational institutions, both within the region and beyond, can strengthen Punjabi language programs. Initiating student exchanges, language immersion programs, and scholarships will encourage the study and appreciation of Punjabi among a broader audience. In conclusion, saving the Punjabi language from dying requires collective effort, dedication, and a strong sense of cultural pride. By investing in language education, creating resources, celebrating cultural heritage, and promoting Punjabi in various digital and traditional media, we can ensure that this vibrant language continues to thrive and flourish for generations to come. The preservation of Punjabi is not only a matter of linguistic identity, but also a testament to the rich history and cultural diversity of the region. For more videos, kindly subscribe the channel.